Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an iTunes gift card directly online. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you are on apple.com, you can always buy that gift card on the website, or even if you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, you can also buy it directly on that device. I'll show you both different options. The first option is if you're on your iPhone or an iPad, you can tap on the App Store. Oh, let me get out of here. And then you're going to tap on your profile at the very top right. You'll be able to see on here, all I need to do is towards the bottom is choose send a gift card by email. Now keep in mind, an iTunes gift card is the exact same as an Apple gift card. They now have merged them all together, meaning that a gift card can buy you AirPods, they can buy you a Mac computer, but they can also buy you songs or movies, or you can even do in-app subscriptions. Any products that are sold, either physical or digital through Apple, can be used by one gift card. So you can see on here, I can choose to digitally send this just through an email address. So I could enter in an email address, something like that. And then I can choose who it's from. I can send a little message and then choose the amount. Keep in mind, this is only in US dollars and US stores only. If you're in a different country, it will automatically default to a different currency. Now I can choose when to send it today and then just hit next. It sends invalid email address, but basically you just hit next and then check out and buy it. However, let's say you wanted to do it instead on apple.com. Go directly to apple.com on a web browser. And on here, I would recommend navigating to it by scrolling down to the very bottom. And at the very bottom, you can see shop and learn. Just open that up. And then you can see at the very bottom is gift cards. Just tap on that. Now, if you don't see this, you could always tap on the search bar and just search for gift cards to be able to navigate to it. Now, let's hit the buy button and I'll show you the different options. It says, as I scroll down, I can either choose to email it, which will send that gift card as an email address or an email to somebody with all of that information, the code, the PIN, all that. Or I can choose a physical mailing. So you can see if I scroll down, it will ask me for the physical address that I'll mail it to. Keep in mind, this might take up to about a week for them to be able to get that gift card. So if you want it immediate, email is better. Or if you want a physical one, you can do that as well. Now on here, we can choose the design. So tap on whichever design you like. And then choose an amount, let's say $100. And you can send a message if you wanted to. So just add a message. You could say something like, love you, and then hit save. Now it will come with that message and come with $100. You can see on here, it says order total. It will be delivered on Thursday for $8, or it will be delivered Friday for free. So I can hit add to bag here. And then I can just hit checkout with my Apple Pay or anything else. You can just enter in a credit card or PayPal or anything like that. So you can see I'd like it delivered, or you can choose to pick it up at an Apple store. Of course, that is always an option. Just go to an Apple store and they'll have physical gift cards there that you can buy. And then just scroll down and then just hit continue with Apple Pay after you enter in the address and all of that on who you want to send that gift card to. And then they'll be able to get that code and again, redeem it for anything on iTunes, on Apple Music, the App Store, in an Apple store itself, all of that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.